What's up, guys? Chris Barge first here. Today I have something a little bit different for you. Today is going to be a build episode, and what I want to build today is a barge. I want to build a barge that can carry diesel, any type of fuel, here back and forth to the Creative Island, because these things do run out. As you can see, that's how much we have in this thing. So yeah, I definitely want to build a barge. I'm gonna build a barge today. Just any type of barge, you know, any barge would work. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try. So, we're gonna head over to the workbench. Alright, so we're here in the workbench. I have symmetry on. So, just a plain old barge. Just a plain old barge. It's probably good. That's the base of the barge. Okay, so, I go ahead and use these wedge pieces now. Base of the barge. Hey guys, I'm not going to be talking for a while, for a lot, because I'm kind of trying to concentrate on the build here, so I don't make mistakes like that. Alright. How you guys doing? How's your first week of school going? Huh? A lot of people were back in school where I live. I don't know if I should do a live stream on this, honestly. This is just gonna be a plain old barge. Just a regular barge. And I'm gonna have to take some of the weight off, because when okay. Yeah, I don't want to make a mistake like that. Okay. And guys, we will be testing this out, see how this works. Probably want to add an engine to it, probably. Like I said, this is not going to be motorized. No. If it's not going to be motorized, why am I going to add an engine to it? It don't make sense, does it? No, it doesn't. It don't make any sense. Ah, made a mistake again. Where my block at? Okay. It's getting laggy for some reason. Okay. Well, I don't have time for it. Yeah, I think I am gonna make this a live stream. I want this to float really nice. This barge. Oh, why does it do that, dude? I hate when the game does that. Like I said, version 1's coming out. This is alpha. This is alpha, guys. By the way, I just found out this is alpha. This is not version. This is alpha. So beta's gonna come out very soon for version 1. Which I am absolutely excited. Alright, so that's the that's the front, that's the bow of the barge right there. And you might wondering, why are you building a barge? I already told you guys. I'm building a barge for fuel, so I might actually be doing career mode soon. So, and this is really going to be helpful in career mode. Because we have limited fuel. And other islands have unlimited fuel. So that's why we're building a barge. So we can transfer that. What's the main difference between a tanker and a barge? Well, a barge is not motorized. It's like a, think of a train car per se. Think of a train car. You saw how like a train car, right? Well, that's what a barge is. It's like a train car, but it's in the water. So the ship will have a big long lines of barges. So yeah. Oh, I made a mistake again. Stop that. Okay. How high is that? We're gonna go a little higher, probably up there, because I want this thing to float. And be sure that this thing's gonna float. It's just gonna be like a very small barge. It's nothing gonna be nothing huge. I mean, a barge is a barge. And like I said, this will be towed on the back of my tanker for extra room for fuel. I'm in love with my tanker. I love my tanker. So yeah, basically this is gonna be this is the front of the barge. Like I said, this is the front of the barge, and this will be towed behind my tanker. Sorry I haven't made a video for a while. Last time we did a sinking ship survival with one of GB Danny's creations. That was awesome. Are you serious? Alright. If I spawn it in now, it's not gonna float. Probably have a tank in the middle. It's just gonna be a very small little barge. Okay. So, how big is this? We definitely need to go bigger than that. Okay. It's not big enough. Okay. Alright, if I just go ahead and save this right now, right? Yeah, I also build a rescue craft. Fuel barge. So we got the fuel barge. If I go ahead and spawn this in now, right? It's a little bit higher actually. I wanted a little bit higher. I might right there. All right. I want this thing to have some good buoyancy, you know. But she floats. Not well at all, but she floats. A little bit higher. So this is the hull right now. This is the hull. Why does it do that, man? They're actually starting to fix some of the performance issues. So hopefully frame rate wise and the lights will not be laggy as bad as they are right now. Because that is actually really sad and really disappointing. One more and I think 4 more I think will be alright. Yeah, we are in advanced mode. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's pretty good. That's good. For this side, at least. I'm also going to put a cabin on here. Because people actually do work on barges. So, we'll see how this works. I really hope this works. I'm assuming it will, because, I mean, why does it, I don't know why it does that, guys. I'm not too sure why it does that. I definitely do not like how 17 minutes in and we almost got the hull done. That's pretty good. We almost got the hull done. Want to block. That, alright, we're good. I want this thing to have as much buoyancy as possible. Here's the annoying thing. Okay. Barges. Okay. That's done. How's it looking? How's it looking? Alright. And I'm also gonna do the same colors as it is with the tanker. Yeah. We'll do that as well. We're also gonna have a battery as well, because this thing's going to have power. Stormworks. Stop at Stormworks. I'm hoping they'll fix some of the building stuff like that. building editors is really, really finicky. And the AI. Oh my god, I really hope they fix the AI. Oh my god, they're so stupid. If you go back and watch when I stole the tanker, guys, the tanker that's in the game, in the actual game, you'll remember that that person got stuck in my tanker and she went underwater. Because the AI is so stupid in this game. And I really hope they fix that. I really hope. They said they're trying their best to fix as much finicky things as possible. But I hope one of it is the AI. Like, you gotta fix the AI game. You guys gotta fix the AI. I mean, the AI is horribly stupid. Yeah. You can actually email the devs. There's actually a button in the menu, report a bug, or suggest a new feature, which AI ships, AI boats. You know, that'd be awesome if, yeah. I really hope they add that, but I don't think they're gonna add it this time, but I hope eventually they will add that into the game. But they gotta fix the AI, man. I mean, the NPCs, man, oh my god, they are stupid as heck. We're almost done the hull, guys. I'm pretty proud of this hull, of this hull. One more, no. One more. See, like, I didn't do that. Yeah, one thing, the build editor is really finicky. But other than that, this game is really good. Alright, so there's the stern of the hull. Hull or hull? I call it hull. 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 In the hull, or in the hull. In the hull. Hull. That's the word. Hull. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the hull up. There I go saying it again. Hull. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the hull up. And I'll talk to you guys when I get done the hull. When I get done the hull. Is that outside? Oh, that's weird. Okay, so I just got done finishing the hull up, the hull, and I think it looks like a pretty good darn barge hull. So let's go ahead and spawn it in and see if she floats. Momentary, does she float? Oh my god, that is beautiful. That is so much buoyancy right there. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. That's perfect. That is actually perfect. Look how good that floats, guys. Alright. So that hull actually floats really well. Okay. Alright. Now, fuel tanks. Fuel tanks. Fuel tanks. It's a big barge, guys. It's gonna be a big barge. Nope. One higher. Oh my god! That is so frustrating. Alright. Hull. Alright. Dang it! It missed one. Just one. Just the slightest gap, guys, and this barge won't work. The slightest gaps. Alright, let's just go ahead and like this, like that. That won't actually work. Okay. Anything else I need to know about? No, I think that's good. I think that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead. What we're gonna get now is we're gonna get a fluid spawner. So I like putting a spawner. So this is how fluid actually works in this game. So you need a fluid spawner, right? We're gonna put that. We're gonna put, and we don't need. We only need one. So we're gonna put that right there. Now you're gonna need a fluid meter. So perfect. A fluid meter. We're gonna go ahead and select this. We're gonna make sure it's on diesel because that's what we want. And spawn it in. Oh my god, it actually works halfway better than I thought it was going to be. That's perfect. That's perfect, guys. That is actually perfect. That's perfect. That is perfect. Alright. So now I know that works. I am so proud right now. That barge actually works. Okay, so I'm gonna build a fuel tank. So put in mirror mode. A big fuel tank. So we'll start from here to there. probably want to get rid of some. And I probably don't want to make this a lot larger because of size. But no, that probably will add weight. It's probably not a good idea. So, really, we got a fully working barge now. Now all I need is a fuel connector. So, I'll show you guys how this works in a minute. So, this barge is pretty much done, guys. Pretty much done. Except I want to do some painting and stuff like that, but okay. That's as high as we probably want it. Probably want it. Well, I can't believe actually how well this actually came out. I didn't expect the barge to actually come out this good. That's right. I'm just doing detailing now, guys. I mean, this barge is pretty much done. I just gotta add fuel and anchors to this, and that's it, guys. This thing is done. So, yeah. This thing is pretty much done. This thing is all ready to go. This thing is ready for transporting fuel. I mean, that's what a tanker is for, really, but like, I just want to build a barge, alright? I just want to build a barge. Just want to build a barge. The barge. Okay. "34 minutes, guys, and we completed this whole entire barge, pretty much. I mean, it's pretty much complete. We got the fuel tanks and everything. You probably want to add a battery. Probably want to add a battery. So we are going to need an engine to do that. But guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the entire barge done. technically, this is not a vehicle. Technically. It's almost like a trailer. Cough, welcome to the video. I did not welcome you. Come on, stop being so finicky. There you go. So pretty much, guys, we got a barge. This is a barge. All right. Let's spawn her in and see how she does. How she floats with this extra weight. Alright, mass 13,336 tons. Alright, let's see. Will she float? Yes. Oh. Okay. She is a little top heavy. Wasn't sure. She's top heavy now, guys. It was perfect. So, to solve this issue, we're gonna do something like this. I'm gonna try weight blocks. We'll see how that works, and if it does not work, oh, you know what? I completely located these in the wrong area. They were supposed to be up here. Oh, get your fluid meter, and I'm going to put my spawner in there. That was my mistake. Spawn. There we go. Make sure it is set to diesel. Now let's spawn it in and see. Oh, that's even worse. Oh my. This barge seems like it's better, just... Oh. Oh. No. I'm gonna have it the way I had it. That was even worse. What was that? No, meter. Now I need my meter. My fluid meter. Now spawn it in. Definitely top heavy. I will say that. Definitely very, very top heavy. What else could we do to fix this? I could just get rid of this entire thing. But no, I'm not gonna do that. I think this is perfect what we got here. We're gonna add some weight blocks. Weight blocks. Wait. weight blocks. Weight blocks are used to weigh things down. Like, alright, let's give that a try. So now we got weights here to the bottom of the, what you call it? Propulsion. Alright. Okay, let's give that a try. No. Nope. 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 That didn't work. Okay. Nope. That didn't work.